2nd of July 2023, and it is 6:45 this morning, and we are headed from Zadar to Mostar in Bosnia Herzegovina. Second exit over there. And so we are excited to see Bosnia Mostar. It is, I don't think it's part of the EU as yet, so they don't use euros. So we have a few euros. We don't have their local currency. I think, which is called marks.
Used to be the German currency used to be marks.
And we are most excited to see Mostar because of one of the oldest self-supporting bridges across their river. So let's head to Mostar. Driving through the cloud. How is it for you, Choradili, driving through a cloud?
I'm having to slow down, which I don't appreciate, but it's fine. Zero visibility.
It's really poor visibility. Can't see any of the mountains around. Just see a few hundred yards ahead.
And if we are at a higher altitude because the temperature is at 16 degrees, you know.
Yeah, 8:10 now. Passing our exit to Pisco. Zadar to the Mostar exit in Croatia, it was 14 €16, and now there seems to be another toll coming up
For the next entering
leg.
Bosnia.
Entering Bosnia. That was a beautiful Bosnian woman. Cleared customs first. We came through Croatian police, and then straight after was the Bosnian terminal. The terminal. And here you go. You know, you're here, Sarajevo, Mostar. You're in Bosnia Herzegovina.
Not you, we.
We
You put me
are.
to-
You are joining us on our journey, so you are with us. And yes, we noticed their script was different here. Didn't see that in Croatia, did they?
Yeah.
The script
No,
here,
the
look,
script is,
Secerina is
what is it
Russian,
called?
is it?
Yeah, the Russian script is
Now we have to pay a toll.
Secerlook, Bosnia.
Yes, darling. I'm so because I still love you so.
And we are driving towards Mostar. We have about 3-4 miles left. And this is the road. See, very different
Very
to
narrow.
Croatia. This is just a
Show the view on that side.
This reminds us of our roads that we used to travel in India to Shimla. We had 2 lanes, one on
That's that almost is now.
side of the
On our
lane.
side of the road.
Yeah,
So
look,
long.
that is plain valley. So we've entered Mostar and we are going towards Stari Most. Cathedral is behind us.
The old town 16th century street. Going to search for parking.
Yes. So it's in a valley. It's Mostar. Mostar Old Town.
The Hammam Museum.
This is the hammam. Straight away you come into the
Mark didn't say many names.
Mom? What do you mean? Of course you don't know. And look at that view! And that is the bridge. Stari, what is it called? There's my lovely sister. View is amazing. Climbing up on the Stari Bridge. There's very slippery tiles. That is the view. It's a pedestrian bridge. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. So people, all the crowds gather. We're here. the Stari Most. Coming down from the bridge to the other side. Which we cannot see from anywhere else. Solidly they're built. They're not separate tiles. Seems like one. No, but they must be. They are separate tiles, but they are just slate material. But they're heavier. Like and subscribe to see more of my travels that may inspire you. And here we are on the way back. Bye bye, Mostar.